quite shocked by her asking me that she wants to go to Mumbai for 1 year for this program. First of all, me and my wife looked at each other and said, "What? Mumbai? Are you sure?"
मैंने बोला ये डांस में कुछ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप ये कोर्स करके जॉब वॉब सेटल हो जाओ।
Dancing as a career, when Kayanush came and told me, was a little bit of a question mark for me.
दीपक ने उस फॉर्म को लाया, फिलअप किया, तो मैंने बड़ा क्या है, तो ना पापा डांस का, मैं पागल है क्या, कुछ भी डांस करता करके।
हमारा समझમાં એવું છે કે કોઈ છોકરો ડાન્સ કરતો હોય તો એને અત્યારે છોકરી દેવા રાજી નથી એમ।
हम जिस बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं या जहाँ तक देखा है उसमें ये एज ए हॉबी ठीक थी, देखना ठीक था, करना ठीक नहीं माना जाता था।
We said कि it's difficult, how are you going to get, you are a Bharatnatyam exponent, difficult for you to get because auditions are not so easy with hundreds and thousands of people.
कहीं से प्रोफेशनली सीखा नहीं था, बट दिल में एक इच्छा थी कि हाँ कुछ प्रोफेशनली करना है, डांस में आगे बढ़ाना है, करियर बनाना है।
Convincing my parents was really hard because I don't think they want to ever send their youngest daughter halfway across the world by herself.
I'm from a small town, Patna. वहाँ पे उतना डांस को एज अ करियर आप नहीं ले सकते हो, स्पेशली अगर आप एक लड़की हो तो उसके लिए और भी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि घर से दूर रह करके, और वो भी आप डांस को एज अ करियर बनाना चाहते हो।
You want a secret? Yes. I've chosen you all yesterday.
उसके मदर इन लॉ ने काफ़ी इंसिस्ट किया कि नहीं, उसको डांस का शौक़ है तो उसे जाने दीजिए।
जो काफ़ी रिलेटिव्स या फिर नेबर्स थे वो कहते थे कि आप इसे इस फील्ड में क्यों भेज रहे हो, तब काफ़ी हमें भी थोड़ा डर लगता था। और जब उसने सामक सर का नाम लिया तब हम श्योर हो गए कि नहीं, ये ज़रूर कुछ कर पाएगा।
I always supported her for this thing because it was my dream once upon a time.
इकडे तर त्याची आवड दिसत होती म्हणून हो म्हणावं वाटत होतं, पण अमाऊंट बघून थोडंसं हो पटकन म्हणलं जात नव्हतं। पण 2 दिवसांनी त्यांनीच ते ओळखलं आणि म्हणाला की तुम्ही मला जमा करा, मी नक्कीच त्याचे रिटर्न्स तुम्हाला ॲज अ लोन परत देईन। तो जे बोलला तेच मला खूप मिळाल्यासारखं वाटलं। त्याला सांगितलं की चल जा पुढे, मी आहे तुझ्या पाठीशी।
हमें इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हम उस मुकाम तक हम अपनी छोटी बहन दीपमाला को देख पाएँ।
मतलब मेरे से हो नहीं सकता, आप उसको भूल जाओ, नेक्स्ट टाइम अपन करेंगे उसको। तो उन्होंने बोला कि भाई दीपक बोला है कि मैं 2 लाख रुपया कमा के आपको 1 साल में रिटर्न कर दूँगा। तो मैंने यहाँ वहाँ से कुछ दोस्तों से अपने कुछ हेल्प मांगा, फीस भरा, और दीपक हमारा क्लास कंटिन्यू कर रहा है अभी।
एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली को बिलोंग करते हुए हम अपने मन की काफ़ी चीज़ें नहीं कर पाते, लेकिन वो बेटी थी तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि नहीं, इसकी इच्छा तो पूरी करना ही है किसी भी तरह।
ज़रूर अपनी हॉबी परस्यू करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे फिर कभी मौका मिले ना मिले, उसे मन में ये नहीं रहना चाहिए कि मैं कर सकती थी और मुझे पेरेंट्स ने करने नहीं दिया।
एज अ मदर मुझे लगता था कि नहीं, उसको भी खुद अपनी लाइफ के लिए डिसाइड करने का हक है पूरा, तो हमें उसको प्रेशराइज नहीं करना चाहिए।
That's why then we said okay.
हमारे एक दोस्त ने बोला था कि हर साल इंजीनियर तो लाखों निकलते हैं, लेकिन उन लाख इंजीनियर में से एक अगर कोई कलाकार बनना चाहता है तो हमको उसको नहीं रोकना चाहिए।
Once we saw that it encompasses a lot more than just dance, it's a bit like going to university, but different kind of university.
I think I gained the confidence in myself that I can dance in front of people now.
We saw how good we became from what we were to what we are now. There's a huge change, like a 360-degree change in us.
Shyama gave us a lot of opportunities to perform in shows like Stargirl, Star Parivar, Mirchi Awards.
We got to learn so much how these shows work and about the backstage, what all work are done and how are these shows organized properly.
There's this
professionalism and excitement and lots of costumes for sure, and like never done makeup before these shows happen. So yeah, that was a really new thing for me.
There was the unexpected moment that happened with me during Star Guild Awards. The superstar Amitabh Bachchan, he called me up on stage to meet me, and I really thank Shamak sir for it. Thank you so much.
When Kanush was rehearsing for Star Parivar Awards, he had some spasm in his back. I was surprised to get a call from Shamak saying that this is what has happened, do not worry, should I give him this medication? It was really very nice to hear him and take care of his students in such a way as if they are his own kids. And I thank Shamak for that, because no one will do such a thing.
अच्छी बात यही लगी कि जैसे लड़की अकेली रहती है मुंबई में, लेट नाइट हो जाती है, लेकिन शामक के यहाँ पे सेफ्टी फैक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है। कभी अकेली वापस नहीं आई, कोई ना कोई जो कंपनी देता है, तो वो अच्छा लगा कि शी इज़ सेफ। एज ए फादर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर वही होता है।
He cares so much for us and he yells at us if we go home alone. So he's like our father, a family member, and the way he cares, I don't think anyone else does. The world outside is very rude, but here with Shamak, we feel pretty safe.
He's really loved and protected us and taken us under his wing. I don't think any teacher would ever do that. He's like a father to all of us.
Shamak made us feel that we are part of his family.
And every day learning from the master himself is something, it's like a dream come true.
जो शामक स्टाइल मैंने सीखा है किधर और सीखने को नहीं मिलेगा, कोई ये नहीं कर पाए। उनका माइंड एक ओशन की तरह है, जितना डीप जाओगे उतना कुछ मिलेगा। शामक हा सर्वात चांगला प्रोग्राम तुम्ही डान्सरसाठी बनवला।
I used to think that dancing is my priority, but now I know that dancing is always secondary. First you have to be a good person. You're a good person, it will reflect on your dancing.
I really enjoyed coming on time, like early morning 9:30, and if you're late you cannot come to the class. That was the best thing because I've learned how to be in discipline.
मैं जब 2 महीने बाद गया था, मैंने 2 पेज का अच्छा लेटर लिखा था कि मैं शामक को दे के आऊँगा। उसमें मैंने लिखा था कि मोहित के क्या क्या गुण थे, इसमें क्या क्या निगेटिव पॉइंट थी, और उन सारे निगेटिव को दबा के केवल पॉजिटिव पॉइंट को बाहर शामक ने कैसा निकाला, इस बात के लिए मैंने उस लेटर में थैंक्स लिखा था।
In the old generation, we used to say, hey, let's take our kids, make sure there's a doctor, or he's going to be a pharmacist or wants to do that career. What I say to the parents is let them lead their dreams. I've done that to my kids. I think it's an opportunity in their lifetime to do what they want to do. They're young. They can always make a career after the dancing as well, and also in parallel.
I would say when people ask me if one has to go or no, I would say be careful. I think many will drop out halfway the way it has been taken. It's tough, it's not as easy. The style of conducting the classes and all is so serious. I have not seen any institute running so seriously. I mean, they are really interested in teaching and giving. I mean, they are really getting to learn what is karma. We say, no, you can fulfill your karma over here. Like Shamak himself is an idol of karma.
Yeah, when I first heard Priya was going to India, I was like, thank God. Yeah, I was just like, finally she's out of the house, right? She's going to be gone and I won't be able to drop her anywhere anymore. I won't have to give her any rides. But then when the date got closer and when she had to leave, actually it was the last day when she was the surprise party, I remember. And it finally hit me. Everyone was doing speeches. And when it finally got to me, I broke down and I started crying like a baby because I knew on the inside I was going to miss her a lot. So.
हम लोगों के यहाँ ये बिहार में छठ बड़ा त्यौहार होता है, सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार। बहुत बुरा लगा, अकेले थे हम लोग, कोई नहीं था।
I'm Mohit's sister Gifty. I miss him. गुंडा भैया, all the best.
बस बहुत ज़्यादा याद आती है उससे, और उसको अपनी फैमिली से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट है।
अभी आपका जो शो होने वाला है उसके लिए आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। आई लव यू।
थैंक यू मॉम, थैंक यू दी कि आपने पापा को कन्विंस किया। थैंक यू सो मच। अगर आप लोग ने परमिशन नहीं दिया होता मैं इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस कभी नहीं कर पाती।
I know you guys had to go through a lot of financial problem. Somehow you managed it. Appa, you did it for me. तमिलों को वगैरह कहीं ना।
हाँ, डांस अच्छा करते साहिल, अच्छा रहते, आशीर्वाद है माँ।
अंकिता को मेरा आशीर्वाद, ऐसे आगे बढ़े और आगे बढ़े और अच्छे से करे, और उसी में हम लोगों को खुशी है।
बड़े भाई होने के साथ साथ एक पिता का भी मैंने अपना फर्ज निभाने की कोशिश किया।
दीपमाला मेरा आशीर्वाद है, और जल्दी से रायपुर वापस।
रिद्या तू जल्दी આવી જા ઘરે, બસ હું તારી વેઇટ કરું છું। તારે હવે ગમતું નથી જરાય रिद्या।
Deepak, thank you, best of luck. You fulfill my dream.
I know that there will be one day when I'll make you proud and I'll see that smile on your face where you can say ki she is my daughter.
This 1 year has gone by really fast and I actually don't want to go back. I'm going to miss it so much, like with all my heart. It was like basically my temple where I healed myself as a person and I grew up as a person. So leaving the studio I think will be the hardest thing for me and I'll miss it a lot.
I really want to say thanks to you, Shamak, because what you have done for me, it's like it means a lot to me. Because I was nothing when I came here, but now I feel I am something and I can do something with my life.
Dinner break with what we got, the lunch break what we got, the everything, the studio, MJ uncle, then I will miss Tony.
Shamak. Thank you for letting me live my dream.
I mean, he is the bestest.
I'm happy that I'm positive now. From a negative person to a positive person.
You are simply genius. I love you. OYP rocks.